remarkable performance was showed by the 33-year-old Juvik Pagunsan, who indeed had a flawless game to nab the title of being the champion and bag the 450,000 peso purse. But the real highlight of the game is Juvik Pagunsan's record-breaking act that eclipsed the previous course record of 65, first set by Robert Carlson in the 1995 Johnny Walker Classic.
Malupit, hindi naman. Talagang swerte lang. Dahil siguro doon sa eagle ko sa dos. Doon nag-umpisa yung ganda ng laro ko today. Na-eagle ko yung dos of birdie yung tres. Hanggang tuloy-tuloy na. Parang yung routine ko na everyday na fairway green lang. Parang nagawa ko today. Salamat! Tingin ko praktisado lang ako. Nagpapasalamat nga ako sa Kalubang Boys dahil kung wala sila, siguro hindi ako manalo ng 2 beses. Kasi halos araw-araw ko silang kasama eh. Kami nagtuturuan. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Orchard. Napakaganda ng setup na ginawa nyo sa tournament na to. Talagang super yung green, talagang super ganda. Pag nagkamali ka, matitripas ka. Yung fairway maganda. Halos wala akong masabi. Sana sa next year ganun pa rin. Of course sa ICTSI, kung wala sila, wala siguro yung tournament. At saka hindi rin ako mananalo. At sa sponsors, nandito yata lahat. Medyo marami, hindi ko na kaya banggitin. So maraming salamat.
It is crystal clear that the potential that Juvik possesses is unstoppable. He has won 2 consecutive PGT Tour events this year, and it's just the second quarter. Zanny Boy again brought home the best-placed amateur with a 1-under. He is the new name to watch out for in the ICTSI circuit.
Practice, tsaka mag-focus ng maigi. Kasi kasabay ko rin yung veteranist. Parang nagaya na rin ako sa kanya na mag-focus. Sa ngayon, sa last day, yung green, yung pin placement talaga napakahirap. Tsaka medyo yung green ngayon, medyo mabilis.
This humble lad said that playing with a top gun gave him an advantage and take some tips to get his game on. Confidence and focus is the key to his continuous winning.
Papasalamat ko sa taas, tsaka yung Orchard Golf Course, tsaka ICTSI din.
Congratulations to the winners of the ICTSI Orchard Championship. Next on the PGT circuit is the ICTSI Eastridge Classic. But now, let's catch Mike Besa and Reggie Nolido on Golf Talk.